Introduction for Assemblies to Call to Worship.
Open to page 199. Hymn 84. It's not an easy road. We are traveling to heaven, for many are the turns on that way. It's not an easy road, but the Savior is with us. His presence gives us joy every day.
Commentary. Our commentary will be taken from page 77. God himself bore witness that Jesus is his son.
For good memory studies, prayer for our parents. Lord, bless our parents.
Students are in examination period and they need your grace.